March 11th, 2023. We're out at about mile 6 of the Nenana-Tukchakit Road. Gonna fly the drone and look around a little. It's a pretty sunny day. Temperature is somewhere around 14 degrees. This is just the start of the agricultural project. This area was burned by a very large wildfire a number of years ago, and the large trees have fallen over, and over the last 7 or 8 years, young trees have grown up, making it virtually impossible to walk through. The drone is an amazing tool that allows us to look into the forest and see where the best spots to farm are. It's these beautiful spring days that get us excited about the upcoming growing season, and your thoughts turn to all the potential the new farm will have. George is going to go look around a little bit. Again, an absolutely stunning day. Very, very slight breeze.